In a groundbreaking announcement, Whio, a pioneering electric aircraft company, revealed plans to create an impressive 2,000 job opportunities and establish a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in the Dayton region. This exciting development marks a significant milestone in the world of transportation and ushers in a new era of innovation and environmentally friendly mobility. Whio's decision to choose the Dayton region for this venture not only promises to boost the local economy but also cements the area's reputation as a hub for cutting-edge technology and manufacturing. With an estimated investment of around $500 million, this manufacturing facility will be a key player in the rapidly growing electric aircraft industry, providing numerous job opportunities for residents and attracting talent from across the nation. The electric aircraft sector has gained significant traction in recent years due to its potential to revolutionize transportation. Electric aircraft offer several advantages, including reduced emissions, lower operating costs, and quieter flights. As the demand for sustainable solutions continues to surge, Whio's investment in the Dayton region is a clear testament to the company's commitment to spearheading this transformative industry. According to industry experts, the manufacturing facility to be established in the Dayton region will play a critical role in the production of electric aircraft, including the highly anticipated flying taxis. With the creation of 2,000 jobs, this move is expected to have a far-reaching impact on the local economy, providing employment opportunities across various skill levels and promoting economic growth. Moreover, this announcement represents a significant milestone not only for Whio but also for the broader aviation sector. The establishment of a manufacturing facility of this scale demonstrates the industry's recognition of the potential and impact of electric aircraft. This development is anticipated to stimulate further investment, research, and development within the sector, ultimately accelerating the transition towards sustainable and eco-friendly aviation. As the project moves forward, collaborations with local educational institutions and government bodies are expected to be vital in providing the necessary training and infrastructure to support the growth and success of Whio's manufacturing facility. With the potential to inspire a new generation of engineers, technicians, and innovators, this venture presents an opportunity to establish the Dayton region as a global leader in green aviation. All in all, Whio's announcement of the creation of 2,000 jobs and the establishment of a cutting-edge manufacturing facility in the Dayton region is a significant step forward for the electric aircraft industry. This milestone development not only positions the region as an epicenter for innovation and job creation but also accelerates the much-needed transition towards a cleaner and sustainable future in transportation.